What's up, you guys? So today we're going to be restoring some seats out of a 98 Corvette, so stay tuned and be sure to check this out. Basically, I've got some seat covers in the back there that are sitting in the box. We're going to recover these because the passenger seat has some staining on it from, I'm not sure what, maybe some paint. And the driver's side has seen better days. So we've got a nice setup here from Corvette America. I'll show you the covers in a minute. Alright, and so in this box we have the seat covers themselves, so I'll show them too. We'll just pull the centers out, but as you can tell, it is super high quality. They're GM licensed, so they can of course put the Corvette logo in there. And let's see how it compares to the original. Stitching is a little bit different of a color. This looks more like a 14 karat on the original. Some of that may be fading, but when we come back to this one looks more like a 24 karat. It's got more of a roses color to it, whereas that is more of a blonder color. Could be due to sun fading, but it's a pretty close match, you know. The color is a little different because, you know, these things just change in color as they get dirty. So it's going to be a good match. The quality on this is the main thing. You know, it's perforated leather with the stitching, just how the factory stuff is, if not better. Now, they all have the original style clips, so I'm not sure where they source all their parts from, but that's quite an interesting thing to reproduce. So yeah, we've got the whole covers. We've got the seat bottoms here. They look pretty nice, and you know, this stuff generally just fits really well. You're gonna have to iron out some of these wrinkles just in the material, but when I'm done, it'll look just like factory. There's a lot of farts stored in here. So once you pretty much get the seat cover off, you want to check the weld, see if you got any cracks or anything. If the seat frame's pretty sturdy, then odds are it's all good to go. I think this one's in good shape. I did, however, notice that the air bladder for the lumbar support is broken, as well as the side bolsters. So we're gonna see what we can do is try to find some parts for that. We're gonna check the passenger seat as well and see if that is also something like that. That way we know the quantity we need to order. Alright, so the customer does not want to replace the air bladders in these seats. He doesn't use them, and it's just not really a thing for him. So we're just gonna bypass that. They cost about $1.50 a pop, so $300 in parts. But I'm not even sure if the pumps are working, so you know, I should have tested that when I had it in the car, but we'll get them back together. He's not worried about replacing them, so it's no big deal. So overall, those seat covers went together really well. I was really happy with them. As always, you know, Corvette America makes some really good products. So that's pretty much summing it up for this end of it. You know, you have to actually steam the leather after you set them all in to kind of get rid of all those wrinkles. So anyway, on a plus note, I ended up using the passenger side foam, and I ended up incorporating it into my sports seats that I have here. These are some old takeoffs that are all torn, like we talked about before. We stitched them up, but I put the new foam in here and fixed the side bolster. This is a different design of a different year. It actually has an air bladder that pushes on a plastic panel to increase the side bolsters, but this one was all blown out and the thing was actually broken off, so I had to rebend the bracket and rivet it all back together. Put the passenger side foam from the other car, and now this side bolster is in really good shape. So these seats feel really well. So these are going to go in the S10. So eventually, once I get them all mounted up, I might change the covers on these and go with some new foam as well. But passenger side's in really good shape. I need to get some of these plastic covers. The forward piece broke off. I ended up plastic welding this one all back together to get it to stay on. Cool note is the air bladders in these seats are actually still in good shape, so these are great candidates for a rebuild. So I'm not going to use the power seat modules in them, but maybe I'll still keep the air bladders and I'll weld brackets on the S10 seats to incorporate that as well. I don't know, who knows, maybe I will use the electric seats. But so I appreciate you guys watching, and if you enjoyed it, definitely leave a like. If you're new to the channel, feel free to subscribe, and we will get back at you next week with some more Corvette repairs. Alright, thanks guys.